Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to see home-based chocolate business idea number 3, where you can start your own chocolate gifting service and make uh, anywhere from 50,000 rupees to 5 lakh per month from your home. So if you are passionate about chocolates or chocolate making and creativity, starting a chocolate gifting service can be a profitable home-based business idea. Whether it is festivals, birthdays, corporate events, customized gift chocolates are always in demand, and you can tap into the growing market from the comfort of your own home. Let us look at the detailed breakdown. See, the total investment that requires varies from somewhere around 20,000 rupees to 60,000 rupees. And it has the potential of making 50,000 to 5 lakh rupees. I'll quickly share my screen and take the whiteboard so that I can show you the breakup. One second. Yes. Can you see the whiteboard? Yep. Okay. See, if you, I'm talking about the very average doable number. So let us assume that you charge anywhere from 500 rupees to 2000 rupees per gift box. I mean, I'm only taking the lowest possible number, but it can go about 2000 also. If you are making premium chocolates, selling in premium gift boxes and all, it can go beyond 2000 rupees. But here I am taking this lowest possible figure so that considering that even beginners like you can start a chocolate gift service from your home. Now, if you are able to sell 30 boxes at the rate of 500 rupees, you can easily make yes 15,000 a month. Okay. Now, the same thing like if you are able to sell 100 boxes with proper marketing and collaboration with other businesses, even if it is 500, look at this figure. You can make 50,000 rupees. Now, the same thing if you are able to sell 100 boxes at the rate of 2000 rupees. Let us assume like you have little bit of expertise, you got beautiful boxes and made good chocolates and packaged it to a gift worth 22,000 rupees, and if you get an order where you have a requirement for 100 boxes, then look at this figure. You can sell for 2 lakh rupees. Now, as this figure goes up, say, for example, see if this number goes up, this total revenue will also go up. And if there is a change in this again, this number will change. So this is a simple math what I have shown you. I have not put humongous numbers, big numbers, unachievable numbers. No, these are all very much achievable. Even if you do not go for any paid advertisements, paid marketing, you can easily sell 30 to 100 boxes if you do the marketing properly, if you have a clear plan and strategy in place. So, like this is the possibility what I am showing you. All right. So talking about this particular business model where you start selling customized gift boxes, you can earn anywhere from 50,000 rupees to 1 lakh with uh, no advertisements, even as a beginner. And with effective marketing and consistent orders and growing client base, with a proper strategy to getting into collaboration with other businesses, you can easily earn more than 1 lakh rupees. Some of my students are making 5 lakh rupees a month without any paid advertisements. So the operational cost is very less in this business. The low end estimate net profit is anywhere from 35,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees. And the net profit at the high end estimate is anywhere from 90,000 rupees to 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh or above. See, the main crux lies in good marketing and building strong customer relationships. And you can eventually increase your earning by creating seasonal products, special edition products, attracting more clients, offering bulk corporate gifting services, and so on. Now, I'll share you one more recommendation here for the location. See, while this business can be operated from anywhere, if you are following, so locations like tier one cities like Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, etc., where corporate gifting is a booming market, or even tier two and tier three cities for that matter, who has a growing trend of online shopping and special event gifting and corporate gifting, and locations with festivals where there are some cities with strong tradition of festivals like Diwali, Eid, Christmas, and other cultural celebrations. So these are great locations that uh, will help you increase your business revenue. See, nowadays, home-based business can thrive in any location for that matter, but if you focus on these locations, it is very, very easy and achievable and doable. Now, all you have to do is build a strong online and offline presence, leverage the social media and online marketplaces to showcase your customized gifting service and offer seasonal give seasonal offers, come up with seasonal offers, special edition offers, special flavor offers, create a special gift boxes for festivals, for corporate gifting, and for personalized, birthday or wedding gifts. The quality matters a lot. If customers love the your beautifully packaged and high quality products, they are sure to come back for more. And also give incentives. Think of giving some kind of referral programs, um, so that you can give some incentives for existing clients who refer more business for you, bring in new clients. So the matter of fact is, starting a chocolate gifting service from your home is very easy nowadays, especially with internet and social media platforms and so many marketplaces that are open and available at a free or at a very low cost. And India is a huge market, where like you can offer low cost, highly profitable business um, gifts that can easily scale, and you can grow your business beyond 50,000 per month very easily with the right marketing strategies and consistent branding and proper customer handling and marketing. So, with minimal initial investment, you can start earning 50,000 rupees per month, which can grow significantly with the right approach. And this is a great home based chocolate business idea which you can pursue. And in 1 year's time, you can grow your business to great heights. So, we'll be sharing chocolate business ideas like this every Tuesday. Uh, and Initially, we'll be sharing the business ideas that you can do from home, and later on, we'll shift to complex chocolate business ideas because there are more than 100 business models that you can consider inside chocolate business. And I want you to become financially independent by doing something that you love, by showing off your creativity in making chocolates or chocolate gifts or chocolate arrangements. We'll talk about that in another episode. But for now, starting a chocolate gifting service from your home is a sure shot to profitable business.